Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw the shark, the lord of the ocean, and I'll sing you the song Baby Shark. Okay, let's go!
In the ocean blue and bright, sharks are swimming day and night. Fins are gliding side to side. Everywhere it's sharky tide. Baby sharks with tiny teeth, swimming in the coral reef. Mama shark reminds them well. In this ocean they excel. Baby sharks with tiny teeth, swimming in the coral reef. Mama shark reminds them well. In this ocean they excel. Shark friends swimming all around. In the deep sea they are found. Friendly fins and joyful play. Shark friends brighten up the day. Papa shark with mighty fin swirls and twirls, joyful spin. Grandpa shark with wisdom deep, tales of underwater sleep. Do-do-do-do, they sing along, making up a happy song. Shark friends, they're a joyful sight. In the waves they bring delight. Grandma shark, gentle and wise, teaching young ones no surprise. Safety first in ocean blue, lessons learned are tried and true. In the ocean blue and bright, sharks are swimming day and night. Fins are gliding side to side. Everywhere it's sharky tide. Baby sharks with tiny teeth, swimming in the coral reef. Mama shark reminds them well. In this ocean they excel. Baby sharks with tiny teeth, swimming in the coral reef. Mama shark reminds them well. In this ocean they excel. Shark friends swimming all around. In the deep sea they are found. Friendly fins and joyful play. Shark friends brighten up the day. Papa shark with mighty fin swirls and twirls, joyful spin. Grandpa shark with wisdom deep, tales of underwater sleep.
Bye! Hi there, little artists! Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we dive into the ocean of creativity. Today, we're going to draw one of the biggest creatures in the sea, a magnificent whale. So grab your paper, pencils, and let's swim into the world of whales. Let's start by drawing the whale's body. Begin by drawing a long, curved line in the middle of your paper. This will be the top of the whale's body, so make sure it's nice and smooth. Now let's draw the bottom of the whale's body. From the left end of the top line, draw another curved line that dips down a bit, then curves back up to meet the right end of the top line. This should create a shape that looks a bit like a stretched out oval. Let's not forget the whale's tail. At the right end of the body, draw two large, triangular shapes that point outward and slightly up. Next, let's draw the whale's head and mouth. Add a gentle curve below to form its big, friendly mouth. Now, let's add the whale's eye. Draw a small circle just above the mouth on the head. Whales have small eyes compared to their big bodies, so make it small and cute. You can draw some more details to make the whale more vivid. I will draw this whale spraying a column of water into the sky. Great job! Now, let's bring our whale to life with some color. Most whales are shades of blue or gray, so you can color the body a deep blue with a lighter blue for the belly. Don't forget to color the fins and tail. A vivid image of a whale is about to appear. You can color it as you like to have a beautiful picture. And there you have it, a beautiful whale swimming happily in the ocean. I hope you had a whale of a time drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to channel Draw Animals for Kids for more amazing animal drawing adventures. See you next time! Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw a cute octopus. And I will tell you the story Ollie the Clever Octopus. Okay, let's go. Deep in the sparkling blue ocean, there lived a curious little octopus named Ollie. Ollie had 8 long, wiggly arms and could change colors to blend in with the coral reef. He loved exploring the ocean, meeting the sea creatures, and solving puzzles. One day, while Ollie was playing hide and seek with his fish friends, he discovered something strange. A shiny, silver key was stuck between 2 rocks. Ollie was very curious. I wonder what this key opens, he thought. Ollie tried to pull the key out with one of his arms, but it was stuck tight. He tried again with 2 arms, then 3, but it wouldn't budge. Ollie didn't give up. he knew he had to think smart. Ollie remembered that his friend Shelly the crab was strong and had powerful claws. So he swam over to Shelly and asked Shelly, "Could you help me pull out a key that's stuck between some rocks?" Of course, Shelly clicked her claws happily. Together, they swam back to the rocks. Shelly grabbed the key with her strong claws, and with a little push from Ollie, they pulled the key free. "Thank you, Shelly," Ollie cheered. Now that Ollie had the key, he wondered what it might open. He swam around the reef, looking for something that needed a key. After a while, he found a small, old chest hidden behind a rock. With excitement, Ollie inserted the key into the lock. The chest clicked open, and inside, he found a map. The map had pictures of the ocean and led to a secret treasure hidden in a cave. Ollie didn't keep the map to himself. He invited all his friends Shelly the crab, Finn the fish, and Coral the seahorse to join him on the adventure. Together, they followed the map, solving puzzles and overcoming obstacles along the way. Finally, they reached the treasure chest filled with beautiful, glowing seashells. But the greatest treasure of all was the fun they had and the teamwork they shared. Ollie learned that with a little help from friends and some clever thinking, he could solve any problem and have lots of fun doing it. To subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time! Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw a lovely turtle. And I will tell you the story Toby the Patient Turtle. Okay, let's go. Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, there lived a wise and gentle turtle named Toby. Toby had a shiny, brown shell and a slow, steady way of moving. While other animals in the forest loved to run and jump, Toby preferred to take his time, enjoying every little thing he saw along the way. One sunny morning, the forest animals gathered for their annual race. The race was a big event, and everyone was excited. The fastest animals, like the rabbits and deer, lined up at the starting line, eager to show off their speed. Toby loved watching the race every year, but he had never joined. He knew he was slow, and he didn't think he could ever win. But this year, something felt different. Toby decided he would enter the race not to win, but just to see how far he could go. When Toby slowly made his way to the starting line, the other animals looked surprised. "Toby, are you sure you want to race?" asked the rabbits, giggling a little. You're so slow. You'll never win. Toby smiled and said, I know I'm not fast, but I just want to enjoy the race. The race began with the loud call of the owl, and all the animals dashed off as fast as they could. The rabbits hopped quickly, the deer leapt gracefully, and the squirrels zipped from tree to tree. Toby started moving too, but he wasn't rushing. He took one step at a time, slowly and steadily. As the animals ran ahead, they soon grew tired. The rabbits stopped to munch on some carrots, the deer paused to drink from a stream, and the squirrels got distracted by the acorns. But Toby kept going, step by step, without stopping. Along the way, Toby saw many beautiful things in the forest: the bright flowers, the singing birds, and the clear blue sky. He felt happy and peaceful, enjoying every moment. Eventually, the other animals noticed something surprising. Toby was catching up to them. They were so busy resting and playing that they hadn't noticed how far they had fallen behind. They quickly tried to get back into the race, but they were too tired to keep up their speed. Meanwhile, Toby kept moving forward, never hurrying, never stopping. As the finish line came into view, Toby's slow and steady pace carried him right across it. To everyone's amazement, Toby had won the race. The other animals cheered for Toby. They realized that being fast wasn't the only way to win a race. Toby had taught them an important lesson. Sometimes, it's better to take your time, enjoy the journey, and keep going, even when things seem tough. From that day on, the animals looked up to Toby not just as a wise turtle, but as a winner who showed that patience and determination can lead to success. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time.